Here's my bike check, 4/22/2013. So let's get started. Alright, my frame is a Colony Teddy frame, signature frame by him, and I think they only had like 10 of these in red, 10 of them in red, something like that. Anyways, and then got the Colony Bloody Oath bars in red, which again, I think they only made like 10 or 20 of them in red. So that was nice, getting those. And my back rim is a Shadow Stun with a Primo mixed hub and Shadow hub guard and Primo forged 14 gauge spokes in the back and the front. And the pegs are Shadow little ones. They used to be white, and I spray painted them black not too long ago, or a while ago, but anyways. And then got an old Alex rim in the front that they don't sell them anymore, so it's probably not that many out there. And a We the People front hub. And Cranks Primo Holobite. Those are 7 years old now, I think, just about 6 or 7. And those things have lasted forever and never loosened on me, so I really suggest you getting those if you've never gotten them. Or if you're thinking about getting cranks, you should get that. And pedals, Odyssey Trail mix pedals, I think. And those things, I've had those for 5 years. Those things are fucking amazing. Those last forever. As long as you don't do a bunch of pedal grinds or stalls, you should be fine with those. Then for the chain, I got a Shadow Interlock. Pretty much standard with any bike these days. If you don't get one of those, I don't know what the hell you're doing. Let's see. Stem is a Swallow stem owned by Fly, so basically the same people. That's a Flatland stem. I've had that for a long time too, 6 years probably. And then we got the Odyssey 41 Thermal, or no, Odyssey Trail Mix, I think, also for the forks. I've had those for a long time too. They last really good. And it's the seat, Demolition fat seat. I got that last August. That thing's amazing, very comfortable. I really suggest it. We got a Kink seat post, which you can't see the name, but it's a Kink seat post in black there. And I think that's it. Well, the bolts are Shadow bolts in red, and I got 2 in black. You can't see them because the pegs are covering them, but yep. And I think that's just about it. Oh wait, and I have a FSA headset. I think it's old as shit. I've had that for a long time. Yep. Oh, and I got the bolts, Shadow bolts, I think they are. I got those in red. Those are pretty cool, decorative. And then Odyssey stem cap there for you. And then, what is that? Oh, it's carbon spacers that I got a long time ago. And I think that's about it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyways, here's my Colony Teddy bike. There you go.